It's hot in this car.
I'm melting.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for clicking on this video. My name is Pam. I'm a professional organizer, and on this channel I share all of my organizing tips and strategies. So if you like organization videos, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any future organizing tips. Okay, on this video I'm going to show you 2 products I recently purchased that claim to keep your car neat and organized. Now I haven't installed or used them yet because I was waiting to do that in this video. So today I'm going to open them up, try them out, and let you know if they are truly a good organizing product for your car. So be sure to stick around to the end to see if they really work. Now, as an organizer, I have a personality that tends to gravitate to a simplistic approach. Not minimalistic, simplistic. I don't really like things with a lot of bells or whistles on them. The way I see it, the more accessories or enhancements you put on a product, the more likely it is to break down. As a matter of fact, all the appliances I owned are the simplest models. And maybe that's why my washer and dryer that are nearly 20 years old are still working. Knock on wood. So back in 2011, when I was looking for a new car, my main concern was that it would be reliable and that it could get me from point A to point B safely. And maybe that it got good gas mileage too if I was lucky. So this car that I've been driving since 2011 doesn't have any luxury features whatsoever. It doesn't have GPS, Bluetooth, or Siri. It doesn't have a center console for all the accessories I need in my car. It doesn't even have armrests. But it's a very reliable car, and for me, that's all that matters. So tell me, am I the only one who thinks like this? How many of you have a very simplistic car with no bells or whistles? Let me know in the comments below. I'd like to know that I'm not the only one. Anyway, owning a more simplistic car can pose a challenge when it comes to storing all of the items that you need when you're driving around. So I went on Amazon and searched for car products that would help me keep my car neat, clean, and organized. And the first must-have item I needed was some type of garbage can. Now believe me, I've tried numerous different garbage can hacks for cars that I found online. I've also purchased various styles and shapes of small garbage cans that were advertised as great for cars. It's just they never fit as well as I would like. And for the past year, I've actually been using this repurposed antibacterial wipe canister as my garbage can. I just covered it with a bunch of black tape to disguise it. But lately, this is just too small to fit all the latex gloves and extra antibacterial wipes that we've been using. Plus, this canister is really hard to empty, which kind of defeats the purpose of my more simplistic goals. Okay, so I found this one on Amazon that boasts spill-proof car trash can, removable liner, and storage pockets keep your truck, minivan, and SUV looking sharp and smelling fresh. It has a 4.7 out of 5-star rating. Not too pretty bad. And it's guaranteed for life. Now $20 is usually the maximum I'll risk when it comes to buying something new from an online site without any personal recommendations or seeing it myself. So at $19.97, it was close to my limit, but missed it by that much. It's still a bit pricey for a small garbage can, but with a money-back guarantee, I thought, what could it hurt? So here it is. Let's open it up and check it out. It's bigger than I thought. Okay, so this is basically what it looks like. And then let's see inside. Where's the... Okay, and they've got that washable liner that they said. So if this is all you have to pull out, that would be a lot easier than me shaking the canister over and over. So let's give it a try. Okay, so I ultimately want to put the garbage can here. Even though they advertise that it can hook over the back here, I want to explain why that's really probably not a good idea in many cars. Whew. It's hot in this car.
I'm melting.
It's Arizona, it's a dry heat that makes me very wet. Okay, you don't sit in a car like this too long, so I apologize if I start to glisten. Now when I looked at these online, and all of them said just hook it around here and then tighten to fit the size you need. But if I'm sitting in the back and I get to have garbage right under my nose, I'm not going to like that too much. I don't care how much this liner claims to keep things odor-free. If you got it this far from your nose, it's not pleasant. So that's why I don't suggest putting it here. Another option they did show, you can hang it between these two seats, but I don't know if it's going to fit. Well, I'll be darned, looky there. So you could put it there. But again, this garbage can I want to use for anyone in the front seat and the back seat. And if you're driving and you gotta kind of reach way up and over like that to throw out the stuff, it's not gonna work for me. Let's put it where I thought. Now it says it can go behind a console. Let's see if that's true. Okay, the only way I think you can attach that is with the seat belt. There we go. Okay. I'm gonna pull this nice and tight. Just fit this in here, and there's Velcro in the back, and Velcro on the side. There's Velcro here, 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 and here. It's just basically Velcro all the way around this thing. So you just line them up like that.
Like that? Like that?
I would imagine if you're not using it for a garbage can, you could almost use this for a little cooler. Put ice in it. Since it's waterproof, might work nicely. Plus, like it said, it's got a little storage compartment. Maybe you can put for your back seat passengers, you can put some Kleenex in there, some hand sanitizer, maybe a bottle of water might fit in that. So each of your passengers can have a bottle of water, and you can have Kleenex and antibacterial wipes here, and then they got the garbage can. I'm liking it. So now that the garbage can problem is pretty much resolved, it was time to work on my accessory problem. The accessories I need in the car when I go on any trip. I needed a place to store things like hand sanitizer. Very important these days. My water bottle, Kleenex, maybe a protein bar, maybe even a pad of paper and a pencil. My phone. As you can see, if you look, I don't have a center console. I just have a little slot for my phone there. Where am I supposed to put these kind of accessories? The car has these side pockets here, and right now with the situation, these are filled with little antibacterial, squirt bottle thingies, and these have rubber gloves and masks that we have to be wearing. So pretty much these two pouches fill up most of that side pocket. Now the other issue with storing anything in these side pockets is that the way the door is designed, the handle comes out like this. So if you're sitting in this seat and you go to try to reach down, your hand kind of gets caught and it's really difficult to pull stuff out of there. So I went back on Amazon and I found this easy travel car seat side organizer for only $15.99. It promises to keep your car tidy and items well organized. You had me at organized. So let's try it out. So basically it had the elastic strap up here that you just put over the headrest. Easy peasy. Then it has little ties that come out the bottom to hold it. And the only place I had to tie it to was the seat belts here. Now let's fill it up and see how it works. Okay, so I put a lot of my accessories in here. Some of the pockets here are really too tight. They advertise that you can fit a water bottle in here, and I'll be honest with you, it was too tight of a fit and it was kind of too heavy for this. I could feel the whole thing really pull. So I just put the little hand sanitizer in here, my tissues, and then I have my little lint, because as you can see, I need to be using that. And what's really kind of cool is this houses my reading glasses and sunglasses, which are a lot easier to get to than in my door like I previously had. Again, you got to be careful, look at your car, see how it will fit in your car, being mindful of the tie situation. This is easy. I think it would fit just about any kind of car you put it in, but the bottom ties, it definitely might have an issue if you don't have somewhere to fasten it down to. And it's just lucky I had the garbage can back there to tie it on the back side. So that's something to think about. Okay, I spent about $36 on both the garbage can and the organizer. And for $36 and some change, I think it's not a bad deal. It is going to definitely keep my car a little more organized. So what do you think about these products? Do you think they'd work for you? I'd love to hear about products that maybe you use that help keep your car neat and clean and organized. Let me know in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video and found the information I shared helpful. If you did, please don't forget to let me know by giving me a big old thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll catch you next time. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Here's another video I think you might enjoy. And YouTube thinks you might like this one as well. And for more organizing tips, be sure to follow me on my socials. All the links are found below.